Hampton, South Spring, St. Paul, G-Man, River Sixx, Kaylan, Isis, Dante, Blue Steel, Sixx real, so we have to stay strong. Oh God, cover me, give me protection. Freya, Talbi, Amos, TK. Bust a buckle for me, G, strike a light, a candle for me, bro. Sixx. Still got the voice, know them from my phone. Remember when you used to say we are gonna make it.
What's good, angels? It's your girl, EarthAngel, naturally, all up on your screen with another episode of DSession. Welcome back to another episode of DSession, guys. In this hot topic episode of DSession, we are going to be taking a look at a few dancehall tracks coming outside of Trinidad. Now, if you guys never know, let me tell you, within global DSession, global, a majority, not a majority, but a lot of my subscribers are outside of Jamaica and are from Trinidad. So big up all of on the damn self, and because of this, I really love to give you guys a little treat each week where I react to music that you recommended to me. So being outside of Trinidad, of course, I'm from Jamaica, if you never know. Jam down, yeah, that's me. Yeah, I depend on you guys to really keep me in the loop on what's happening over there in the dancehall space in Trinidad, when it comes down to who I must listen to, who I must check out, who I must pay attention to. And in the last video that I reacted to Trinidad music, there are a lot of comments in the comment section for me to react to Rebel Sixx. Now, I had never listened to Rebel Sixx before. I don't know how comes or why, but I never came across his content before. So after I saw that, I was like, okay, Rebel Sixx is going to be the next artist that I react to on DSession. And then when I went on the internet and I started looking up Rebel Sixx, I realized that he had recently passed, and he passed before the release of his album. And then there was a lot of controversy around his passing that was a bit alarming to me, and I was like, okay, wow, this is gonna be more than just a reaction video. I'm gonna have to address a couple of things. Like, I can't just react to the youth and don't address these things. So firstly, I want to say condolences to Rebel Sixx, his family, his team, his loved ones, his friends, and his fan base. Oh my gosh, his fan base. You guys are amazing, and you guys must be hurting so much right now. And I just want to say, yo, big up to all of you guys, and just condolences. My love and my prayers are with you. And I listened to a few of his tracks before I came on camera to do this reaction, and trust me, in bad. As an industry, as a dancehall fraternity, we definitely lost a great entertainer. He had the potential to do amazing things in the industry. So, you know, it's just really sad. And his album, Last Son of Pharaoh, that's what it is, right? Let me make sure I'm not talking foolishness. Right, Last Son of Pharaoh, you can definitely check that out. It came out like after, I believe, his passing, or around the time of his passing, which was just sad and iconic at the same time. It's just like, yo, he was putting in so much work before he lost his life, and it's just such a sad, uncomfortable thing to discuss, because I'm not good at talking about death. I'm not good at talking about such tragedies. So I hope I'm not coming off very simplistic right now or so, but it's a very depressing time, I can imagine, in Trinidadian dancehall space right now. So I'm definitely going to do this young man justice and react to one of his songs right now. This is Rebel Sixx King Life official music video. It premiered December 21st, 2020. So this song is definitely almost 2 months old for sure. There are more recent songs from him. However, I have listened to all those songs already, and the reactions are about me introducing myself to the music for the first time on camera for you guys. So I didn't want to come and react to songs as I have already listened to and enjoyed in my own personal time. So this music video, though, I have never seen, never listened to the song, don't know what I'm about to see or hear. So this is what we're about to do the reaction on. Remember to hit that subscribe button, follow me on all social media, also to like the video and comment down below what other Trinidadian artists or what other tracks outside of Trinidad dancehall that you would like me to react 2, and then after I'm done with this reaction, I'm going to come back and talk to you guys about the controversy that's going on around Rebel Sixx and Prince Swanee right now. I don't really understand what's going on, so I'm gonna need my subscribers for educate me on what is happening over there in Trinidad where this is concerned. Like, this is where you guys keep me in the loop, okay? Alright, so this is Rebel Sixx King Life official music video. Let's go.
I'm living a king life. You know what? On top of the iTunes, man, trending. And the cars all out with the planet side. Thank God for the money man spending. I'm living okay. Haters can't spray me. The way me feels fly so fast, come speedy. Any station locked out like I don't sing free. Some man take years to do this and see. I'm living a king life. Big fat back on the king size. And the chip just a right man and I make nice. It is a highway time. You set fun with a big box split. I run this for the hard times.
Like the vibe here. One thing I noticed about Rebel Sixx with the song that I'm listening to already, and then this one I take in right now, his lyrical content is superb. Like, his lyrical content is out of this world. We can see why him and Prince Swanee climbed so high in the space over Trinidad so quickly, because him bad. You get me? And I like the fact that King Life I take back a little slower pace in terms of making you want to listen to him, I say, rather than boop 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 boop. I know one of them song there. You get where I come from? Him really just want to sit down and meds him I say, and meds how he might interpret his own life, which is awesome. So I like that. I like that vibe here. And all the time the song them need to make you want to jump out of your seat and run up and down and tear it to ear and keep up with other antics. Some music are really music for you to sit down and take in and meds and say, oh, okay, you know?
Now we reach it up, them have to keep up. In a making shit, Versace sneaker. Yo, what's still, you listen to the speaker. Girl, I got me down with the even Nina. Big fat back on the king size. And the chip just a right man and I make nice. It is a highway time, you set fun with a big box split. I run this for the hard times. My granny said one shine, this is how you are. So we're making the gum, I'm gonna fall.
It's like in the video show him entire life. Him wake up, wash him face, get ready, him go have breakfast or eat some food, and know him there in the studio. So him show him King Life. That look that bad. Yo, Jano, it's sad enough, brother. The man them just dead so young, Jano. This bad. I like that. I like that song here. I like that song here for real. Alright guys, so that was Rebel Sixx King Life official music video and official song of course. So you guys can definitely go on his you guys can definitely go on his YouTube and check him out. You will not regret it, trust me. I can't believe, like, how do you celebrate somebody that you're discovering for the first time and then find out that them is no longer around? That's so wow. I never know how to like feel about that. You know, it just really messed up. And then what I wanted to address afterwards was that it looked like him and Prince Swanee never did up on good terms, or them did a beef around the time that he passed away. So right now Rebel Sixx fans, based on what I'm seeing, is basically at Prince Swanee's neck, because they are of the assumption that he had something to do with the murder of Rebel Sixx. And Prince Swanee briefly addressed it at his album launch recently. And of course I don't have an opinion on that. I don't have anything to say really on that, because I'm not in Trinidad. I don't know what this the scene is like on a personal level in Trinidad to give any kind of idea, but I can understand why the fans of Rebel Sixx would be attacking Prince Wally like this, because if you bring it back home to Jamaica, imagine if, God forbid, something were to happen to Vybz Kartel or Movado around the time that they were beefing. Remember when Gaza and Gully did really at each other's necks? Imagine if something were to happen to either of those artists during that time. The fan base would be accusing the artist that is still around that they had something to do with it. So I believe that is really just, when people are grieving, they want to place the blame somewhere, and Prince Wally is just the easiest person to blame right now. So that is just my opinion where that part of it is concerned. But like I said, you know, shout outs to the fan base, to the fans of Rebel Sixx. Shout outs to his family, his friends, and everyone involved. This was a great talent that we all got to experience in the dancehall industry. But definitely I'm gonna go back and listen to some more music and really soak him in as an artist, because I'm impressed with what he had been doing. And but sorry I'm so late, I'm gonna catch on to the flow of him very, very late, you know. But so you go, better late than never. Remember to subscribe to the channel, guys, and to comment down below what other tracks you want me to react to, and also to follow me on social media. Links are always in the description bar down below. Give my like button some love, show my like button some love, and remember to walk good, all you beautiful people out there in the world. Bye, angels.